Avulekile masango, nkhululekile, nkhululekile.
Jimalang, welcome to another episode of Unscripted. My name is Mathawe and Matsapola. Today we have the new kid on the block, but not so new. I mean, really, you've seen her face. She's been featured on so many popular songs, on Questa's song, on Linda's song, Thabsie. And finally, we get to have her. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm alright.
Thank you for having me. Thank you for that lovely introduction.
Yeah, I mean, some people it takes them like longer. It takes them in 10 years before they can make it or get to be known.
Yes.
You've been around for 4 years, 2 years, trying to be a solo artist, and then you're already there. You're already in people's minds. I mean, in your your face is there. Amatala, your face is there. How do you feel about that? That you didn't get to struggle and take 10 years and 15 years?
Yes. I mean, amazing that, one of my first offerings just got taken up by the country and people enjoyed the music. But they always say it takes 10 years to make an overnight success, And I think the only difference between myself and other artists is that I was hustling and trying and, working and getting to know the industry, but just not as a solo artist. So it was easier for me to kind of make the mistakes, learn, absorb, be a sponge, and then when I decided to get into it, I think I was better equipped, and I think that's why, my journey seemed shorter. But yeah.
When are you releasing a full-on album? Soon? When is soon?
If everything goes according to plan, I really want to release my second album. It'll be my second album now in April this year, April 2019, maybe early May. But yeah, hopefully everything will go according to plan, and by Easter everyone will have a copy of Thabsie's next album.
Any more collaborations that we should watch out for?
Yeah, I mean, on the new album I've got an AKA feature, which is really awesome for me. He's actually the only feature I have at the moment, but I'm still wrapping up the album. I'm still going to add the people that I really want to work with, and hopefully they'll, be willing. So right now only AKA.
Who are some of the people that you would like to work with?
I hope I don't jinx it, but I really want to work with a nice song on the album that I really think Shoma Josie would sound amazing on. And then I want to get like another vocalist, whether it be a female or a male, but like I want a nice R&B ballad between either two girls or a guy. I'm not too sure who yet, but we'll get there.
Can you just give us a taste of who Thabsie?
A taste.
A taste of who Thabsie.
A vocal taste.
A vocal taste.
What should I sing?
Let's sing finally.
Yes.
Why not?
Let's sing the chorus.